Hello everyone, welcome to Wisdom Bag. Are you looking for a way to improve your English? Do you want to move beyond basic words and speak with more confidence? If yes, you are in the right place. We are here to help you master new English vocabulary one step at a time. Our goal is to make sure you can use every word or phrase naturally in your daily life. To help unlock your English skills, this lesson is organized into 3 simple keys. Key 1, foundation. Key 2, application. And key 3, the story. We are so excited to go on this journey with you. Now, let's jump into today's lesson and start building your English vocabulary together. Key 1, foundation. Every strong house needs a solid base. Let's start with key 1, foundation. Here, we will master the spelling, perfect the pronunciation, and uncover the true meaning of today's vocabulary. Topic 1.1, vocabulary. Knowledge is knowing that a tomato is a fruit. Wisdom is knowing not to put it in a fruit salad. Today, we are diving deep into a truly powerful word, wisdom. Topic 1.2, meaning. But what exactly is it? You see, wisdom is more than just knowledge. Knowledge is gathering facts, but wisdom is knowing how to use them. It is the ability to see beyond the surface and make the decisions that truly matter. Topic 1.3, spelling and pronunciation. Let's spell it together. W-I-S-D-O-M. Now say it with me. Wisdom. Now it's your turn. Try to pronounce it. Ready? Go! Topic 1.4, word family. Now, let's look at the different forms of this word. Wisdom is our main word, the noun. But if you describe a person, you say they are wise. And when they act with good judgment, they act wisely. Topic 1.5, synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms for wisdom include insight, sagacity, and good judgment. On the other hand, the antonyms of wisdom are
folly and foolishness.
Key 2, application. It is not enough to just know the meaning of a word. You must also know how to use it. Let's practice usage, common mistakes, conversation, and shadowing. Topic 2.1, usage. Now, let's see how to use this in your daily life. Here are some examples. Example 1. He showed great wisdom by staying calm during the crisis. Example 2. Her wisdom helped the team make the right decision today. Example 3. We should listen to our elders and value their wisdom. Topic 2.2. Common mistake. Stop. Before you go, look at this. Many people say, he is very wisdom, but that's a mistake. Wisdom is a noun. It's something you possess, so the correct way is, he has a lot of wisdom. Topic 2.3. Conversation. Let's listen to a short conversation to see how to use it in real life.
I have to make a big decision, but I feel so confused.
Don't rush. You should seek wisdom before you act.
Where can I find the wisdom to make the right choice?
Listen to your experience and the advice of those you trust.
Topic 2.4. Shadowing practice. It's time for shadowing. I will play the conversation again. Speak the lines out loud with the characters. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Now you are person B.
I have to make a big decision, but I feel so confused. Where can I find the wisdom to make the right choice?
Now you are person A.
Don't rush. You should seek wisdom before you act. Listen to your experience and the advice of those you trust.
Key 3. The story. Now, let's bring our vocabulary to life. Through the magic of a cinematic tale, you'll see our new language in action. Every word has a story to tell. Let's open the wisdom bag and see Leo's choice. Meet Leo. He had a big dream: to build a beautiful home. He chose the easy way, starting his work on the soft sand. It was fast and easy. Leo thought he was being very clever. But a wise mentor watched him and decided to speak up. "Don't build there," the old man warned. "Go to the rock." Leo had a choice: stay comfortable or do the hard work. He listened. He moved his tools to the solid, high ground. Building on rock was hard. It took much more time and effort. Finally, the house was finished. It stood tall and proud. Then the great storm came. The winds howled and the rain fell. While other things washed away, Leo's house remained perfectly still. The old man said, "Wisdom is your rock. It is the foundation that never fails." So, what did Leo teach us? He showed us that knowledge is having the tools, but wisdom is knowing how to use them. Always build your life on the rock of wisdom. Great job today! You've taken a big step in building your vocabulary. We've unlocked the meaning, mastered the usage, and seen the word in action through our story. You're now one step closer to speaking like a pro. Now it's your turn. Can you use our new word in a sentence of your own? Write your best sentence in the comments below using our word of the day, wisdom. Let's share our wisdom together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep opening that wisdom bag, and see you in the next one.